Got a 3D printed sign here. I'm going to paint it with some multi-surface acrylic paint. I'm going to paint the hot. Going to paint the hot side hot. I'm going to put this is my hot spigot. This is the cold water. And so I made this sign here to warn people about that. And so I'm going to put that right there. And I'm just going to use a silicone here to attach it to the wall. And it's 3D printed sign. And let's see if I can get her to stay on there where I want it. I'd like the top to be sealed so it sheds the water. And I think I'm just going to leave it just like that. I don't think I need to tape it. I think it's very lightweight. I got some tape, but I don't think I'm going to need it. I think it's going to stay. So I call it a good job. So this is my second hot water location. I don't really want it right on the spigot in case the spigot has to be changed. I think I'll put it right there. Yeah, so this sign's fairly lightweight plastic. So it's not going to take much to hold it on.